A bright red circle on a big green leaf. A blue square made of soft fluffy clouds. A yellow triangle resting on a smooth rock. A purple rectangle lying on the sandy ground. A silver star shining in the clear blue sky. 5 shiny pebbles, each a different color. 3 round circles, bouncing down the hill. 2 green squares, nice and grassy. 1 bright triangle, pointing to the sky. 4 pretty rectangles, stacked neatly. 6 sparkling stars, twinkling at night. A pink circle on a sunny picnic blanket. A brown square made of tasty chocolate. An orange triangle placed on a pizza slice. A white rectangle, a fluffy marshmallow. A golden star drawn in the sand. 7 colorful pebbles, in a lovely row. 10 round circles, rolling on the grass. 5 blue squares, dancing in the wind. 3 yellow triangles, bright as the sun. 2 red rectangles, like cozy pillows. In a cheerful market, filled with colors. Bright flowers sit in lovely green pots. Vibrant fruits line the tables, fresh and sweet. Little birds sing happily in the trees. Children laugh and play, joining in fun. A tall castle stands proudly in the background. Soft clouds float by in the sunny sky. A gentle river flows with sparkling water. A wooden bridge arches over the stream. A library nearby holds many exciting tales. The sun shines bright, spreading warm light. Colorful banners wave in the soft breeze. Stalls display toys, candies, and games. A bright carousel twirls with happy riders. People gather, sharing stories and treats. Little animals peek out, curious and friendly. A market full of joy, laughter, and play. The sweet smell of cookies fills the air. Children point at shiny balloons, so bright. Everyone enjoys the cheerful atmosphere. Pinky Pickles waves, excited and friendly. Pinky Pickles, a girl in a colorful dress. Her best friend, Benny, is a funny bunny. Pinky loves to explore all day long. Benny hops playfully, always ready to help. Together, they share laughter and fun. They dream of new adventures ahead. Pinky is curious, always asking questions. Benny listens carefully and nods his head. They both love to learn and discover. Their friendship shines like the brightest star. Look! A puzzle path appears before them. It needs shapes to unlock the next fun place. They must find circles, squares, and more. Pinky smiles brightly, ready for the challenge. Benny twitches his nose, excited to help. Together, they set out on their quest. Their goal is to complete the shape puzzle. The path is colorful, leading them on. They see a circle-shaped pebble nearby. Let's hurry and collect the shapes, says Pinky. A green circle rolls down the pebble path. A blue square hides under a soft leaf. A red triangle rests near a tiny flower. A yellow rectangle waits by the river. They count as they gather every shape. 1 circle, 2 squares, 3 triangles. 4 rectangles, just around the bend. 5 shapes together make a colorful bunch. Pinky and Benny cheer for their finds. Running and searching, they're full of joy. Please, let us have the shapes, Pinky says. Thank you for sharing, friends, adds Benny. We wait our turn, holding hands together. They talk politely with everyone they meet. Would you like to help us? Pinky asks. Let's show kindness and share our treasures. They look both ways before crossing the bridge. Everyone smiles at their happy manners. Pinky shares a snack with a new friend. Benny helps a little bird find its way. Suddenly, they spot a shiny star. It sparkles brightly, a lovely surprise. Working together, they pick the star up. They can use it in their puzzle, too. Pinky says, "Let's keep going, my friend." Benny hops happily, ready for more. They find shapes and friends everywhere. Every step brings joy and exciting moments. The path is fun with each new twist. Everyone claps and cheers for their teamwork. They found a circle, a square, and a star. They gather triangles and rectangles too. Pinky counts each shape with excitement. "Now we can solve the puzzle," she beams. Benny jumps for joy, so proud of them. Together, they complete the special path. They learn shapes, colors, and counting, too. Sharing made the adventure even better. Pinky says, "Learning is so much fun." Benny nods, "With friends, it's always bright." As the sun sets, they smile wide. The market glows with warm, soft lights. Pinky and Benny sit by the river. "Today was amazing," Pinky says with glee. Benny agrees, "Let's have more adventures."